Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Mimi Melly, the creator of Create Kingdom Plans. And in today's video, we are going to do an updated review on our Hotstyles medium-sized backpack. But before we get started, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I make new videos. Let's get started. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I also picked up the mini backpack, and I have this video right here of the review and all the things that can fit inside of it, so definitely check it out. But in this video, I'm going to show you all the things that can fit in the medium-sized backpack, and I'll tell you about the wear and tear. And as you can see, after 2 years, this is what my backpack is looking like. I have completely washed this backpack. I have spilled things on it and have to clean it up, and this is what it looks like after 2 years of heavy use. I go to work with it every single day, so after heavy use, it still looks pretty much brand new. So definitely bang for your buck, and it's very durable. Now, just like the mini backpack, this backpack comes in so many different colors. They've got black, they've got beige, they have the teal blue, just like I have in the mini backpack. They have purple, they have a pastel blue, navy blue, hunter green, and dark gray. So I'm gonna show you guys all the things that fit in this backpack. Let's start out with the very front pocket. I've got my wallet, I have my chapstick, I have hand sanitizer, and I also have my headset just in case I need it to listen to music on the go. And I also have like 3 or 4 scrunchies in here. Sometimes I need to tie my hair back when I'm working, so I definitely like to keep those in the front of my backpack. So I'm gonna go ahead and put those back in. And just to remind you guys, this bag is actually really affordable. The medium-sized backpack is $29. Meanwhile, the mini backpack is anywhere from $25 to $27. Okay, so this side pocket, I don't put anything in there really. Sometimes I put my pen in there, but I really don't put anything in that side. Let's look into the main pocket. So I have my hat in there. It's winter time, it's freezing, so I have my hat. So I can grab it really easily. I have my thermos, I put hot water, tea, sometimes coffee in there when I'm going to work. I have a bowl, it is empty, but I usually put my lunch in a small container like this and put it in my bag. In one of the small pockets, I like to carry some tissues just in case I'm sniffly from the cold or my allergies are acting up. So I just like to have some tissues on hand. There's also another pocket right next to it. I carry a couple masks to work just in case I need it for any reason. In this pocket, I like to carry a few more pens and of course my Apple Pencil. So now let's go into the back area that was like the front area. In the back, I like to carry a little pouch. It has my toiletries, things that I need, you know, in case of emergency, womanly things, if you know what I mean. So I have that little pouch back there. I have, of course, my iPad. Sometimes I bring it to work with me, sometimes I don't. Recently, I just decorated it with stickers, so definitely check out my video on that on TikTok. And I have my laptop. This is my MacBook Air. I've had it ever since I was in college, and I just put it in the very back. My laptop is a 13-inch laptop, and it fits perfectly there. In the back zipper, I just have some extra headphones in case my AirPods run out of charge. So upon looking to see if I had missed anything else, at the very bottom of my bag, I found a cap to my Apple Pencil case. So anyway, over the 2 years that I've been using this backpack, as I said, I use it for work. So I take the train with it sometimes. I took the bus with it sometimes. I found that it wasn't too big, like, you know, those backpacks that are so huge, and definitely not too bulky. People who take the train and the bus, you know what I'm talking about. But I didn't find that with this backpack because it fit everything in a very compact way. So I, you know, sometimes I would take off my backpack and hold it in the top handles. So I felt like I wasn't bumping people with my backpack all the time in the train, even when it was on my back. I also love that my devices are protected because there is a cushioned surface in the back so that your laptop or your iPad or whatever you're carrying fits. and it's comfortable against your back, and also of course keeping your devices safe as well, just in case you were to drop your backpack. This backpack is $30 on Amazon, $29.99 to be exact, and I'm gonna show you at the end what I look like wearing the backpack this time so you can see. Okay, so now let's take a look at some more pockets in this bag. The very back of this backpack has a secret pocket. Shh, it's secret. If you open up the zip, you have enough to put in even a wallet if you want. I just put some stamps in there, nothing exciting, but just important papers that you want to make sure that are more secure than leaving them in the back. At the side, I choose to put my umbrella in there when it's raining. Of course, you can still fit your thermos or a water bottle in that pocket. I'm gonna show you right now. The thermos does fit. This is a skinnier, or I should say, this is a smaller thermos, and you can see that it's type tight. It's a slimmer thermos, and it's tight. But if you have a water bottle, it will fit perfectly in this pocket. So any sort of thermos or cup that's the size of a water bottle will also fit in this pocket. So I want to show you what this backpack looks like when it's on. So as you can see, I'm wearing my work outfit, but of course, if you have a jacket or a coat, you can always adjust the straps. So this is very, very tight to me. I haven't adjusted the straps yet, but when I do, it's really going to allow room. So if you have a puffy coat, puffy jacket, it's going to fit perfectly on. I definitely recommend this backpack. All right, so that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, please make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I make new videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.